Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over a project in Python called calculator. So it's a very simple calculator that you guys will be building. I'll just show you guys a little things that the calculator does. So the first time when we run the calculator, it displays us a menu and it basically welcomes us to the calculator. And it gives us a little information about the calculator, stuff like our calculator can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Negative numbers are also supported in the calculator that you guys will be building. Bad math will not be supported. Brackets will not be supported. Solutions with decimals, fractions, and remainders are also not given in the calculator, and there will also be no negative exponentation that will be supported in this calculator. Let's do some examples to see what type of things our calculator supports. Uh, so let's do a simple expression first. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So that works. Let's do another expression. 8 times 3, which equals to 24. So that means that works too. And now I'll show you guys another example of exponentation. So that would be 2 exponent symbol 2 that equals to 4. So there are some examples that you guys can look at while you guys are working on the calculator. So addition basically does a simple expression of 5 plus 5. There's an example of subtraction, which does 10 minus 5, multiplication, which is 5 times 5, and division, which is 9 divided by 3. Here is a little introduction for you guys to read before you guys start your projects. All right. So we'll end our explored lesson here, and then in the next lesson, we will basically be talking about doing the first part of the project. Until then, have a good one. Bye.